In a significant move to enhance the integrity of the H-1B visa program, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, announced a final rule aimed at reducing potential fraud and streamlining the registration and application process. This new rule, applying stricter controls, intends to ensure every beneficiary has an equal chance of being selected for the H-1B program. One key measure involves a change to the selection process. Employers will now register potential employees by individual rather than by the number of registrations, mitigating the possibility of multiple submissions unfairly influencing the process. Starting from fiscal year 2025, all beneficiaries will need to provide their valid passport or travel document during registration, which will then be used for U.S. entry should they obtain an H-1B visa. The USCIS has also clarified the requirements for the employment start date on petitions, allowing for filing with requested start dates that go beyond October 1st of the corresponding fiscal year. In an effort to uphold transparency, the USCIS has granted itself the authority to deny or revoke any H-1B petitions if the registration includes false attestations or if related fees are declined, disputed, or otherwise not resolved following submission. Furthermore, a new edition of Form I-129 pertaining to these changes will be available for preview by April 1, 2024. Only this updated version will be accepted on or after this date. Another development is the announcement of the final fee rule, which comes into effect post the initial FY 2025 H-1B cap registration period. Consequently, the current registration fee of $10 remains unchanged for the upcoming registration slated for March 2024. The registration window for the FY 2025 H-1B cap will open at noon Eastern on March 6, 2024, and will close at noon Eastern on March 22, 2024. In anticipation, USCIS has updated its online account systems to enable organizations and legal representatives to prepare registrations and petitions collaboratively. This update will become operational on February 28, 2024, along with the launch of the online filing of Form I-129 and the associated Form I-907 for non-cap H-1B petitions. April 1st marks the start date for accepting online filings for cap-subject H-1B petitions. It's important to note that while the USCIS encourages online filings, petitioners have the choice to submit paper-based Form I-129 H-1B petitions. However, during the initial shift toward online accounts, paper-filed forms cannot be linked to these accounts. Lastly, USCIS reminds petitioners of the forthcoming fee increase for Form I-907, effective from February 26, 2024. Any submission postmarked on or after this date must include the correct inflated fee to avoid rejection. For those seeking further details on the final rule, registration procedures, or upcoming changes to the H-1B program, be sure to visit visaverge.com.